Let me introduce you to Journalist AI, which is the best auto-blogging AI software, AI writing, SEO writing tool, which you can write with the keywords, just inputting the keywords right here. And you can also, input the keyword right here and search AI news articles. And you can write with Amazon, URL, which you can simply enter the URL, Amazon URL. And just like that, you're going to get a blog article and YouTube to blog post, right? So the first thing what you want to do is you want to search for the term which you want to write. So let's just say I come here and I go to the training now, and I'm going to select the location which is going to be your desired country. So let's just say United States, right? So I'm just going to select the United States and I want to write articles on this. Now I can simply, what I can do is I can analyze the trend graphs right here. So this looks like very consistent graph trend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this keyword and go to the Journalist AI, and here inside the search query I'm just going to copy paste the keyword right here and click on search stories. Now what the Journalist AI SEO software does is it's going to pull up the stories based on the feed has provided it to the tool. Now it's a real time, it's going to check the web and return the stories. Now you simply have to pick one, or you can also pick all the three, and you need to simply click on plus button. So let's just say Oliver Miller's legacy has a basketball player. I'm just going to click on add and add to articles. Now once I click on add articles, it's going to take me to the second page where it prompts me to generate an article. Now if I go to the end, so these are all queued in my auto blogging. Now here you can find which is queued at 94. It's funny, I can click on generate article. So bear in mind I write in Portuguese, but yeah, you can configure this language right here. Now what I'm going to do is I can simply click on generate article, or I can also click on edit content. I'm going to change the language to the English United States. So where is it? Let's just find E. Alright, so save changes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate article, right? So once I click on generate article, you just have to wait less than a minute, and it's going to be provide entire article in under a minute. Now while it generates the article, I want to show you something. Go to the integrations here, and here you want to click on create integration. Now if I click on create integration, you're going to get a lot of CMI softwares which Journalist AI supports, including custom APIs and custom web hooks, which is useful for many developers who are working independently other than CMS, including WordPress, Blogger, and Shopify, Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, Zapier. So you can go here, and it's just a quick plug and play system. All the tutorials are right here. You can also see the guide the Journalist AI provided, and it's very easy plug and play system. Once your articles are generated, you want to go to the history, and here you're going to find the previous articles which were generated. Now I can simply click on the article which has generated, and I go to the article. So let's just wait. Yep, it's right here. So I can click on the article, and I will get an option to edit with AI. Now this is the best feature which I've seen so far. What I'm going to do is, you can see right here, it even included sources, conclusion, and it's just missing the frequently asked questions. But again, I can go with edit with AI, and if I didn't like any of the paragraph or any of the internal linking or external linking, I can simply select the paragraph, and it automatically prompts you to rewrite, add keywords, or add external links. You can choose one. It's just the job, and it does the job for you. And here, when you want to publish to your blog as an auto blogger, you can click on site integration and select the website and hit publish. That's it. That's all you need to do.